This is the Strymon Zuma power supply, and I'm going to unbox it for you today. So this is the top of the box of the Zuma high current DC power supply made by Strymon. Let's see on the other side of the box, it here says left brain artists, innovators, thinkers. That's interesting. Left brain is a reference to the more verbal part of the brain rather than the more spatial. Let's see what happens when we open this thing up. Okay, it's a pretty simple presentation. It's wrapped. And what do we have? This is our power supply side. And we've got 9 independent power receptacles. These two here are switchable between 9 volt, 12 volt, and 18 volts. So this is a pretty high-end, power supply. Apparently, it filters the electricity quite well, so you don't end up with a lot of, lines hum and that kind of thing. Ground. I mean, we'll have to see. My house is absolutely the worst for sound, so we'll see. Now, what else do we get in this box? So we get, these are the patch cables for the, for the pedals. Some more patch cables. Or not patch cables, but the electricity cables to the power supply. And of course the power cord. Strymon sticker. It looks like warranty information. And information about the pedal, the usual stuff, features. So that's that. That's the Zuma high current DC power supply by Strymon.